from the hills of Zion, from the ashes of Canfield fire. This one never did, it only wait. Nightfall heavy on the sugar cane plain. Moonlight silver but the soil still stained. Chain mark memory in the island ground, but drum beat rise with a thunder sound. Me dread long like the river of time. Grey beard carry ancestral rhyme. Babylon tower build high in pride, but lightning right judgment upon the sky. Babylon shall fall, hear the lion roar. Babylon shall fall, can't stand no more. Fire in the east, fire in the west. Judgment pound in the oppressor chest. Babylon shall fall, shall fall. Them build them kingdom pan blood and gold. Sell false dream to the young and old. Paper crown and plastic throne, but righteousness cut down to the bone. Hear the Nyabinghi drum roll deep. Wake the ancestors from ancient sleep. Smoke rise slow from the chalice flame. Every spark whisper your name. Echo, thunder, fire, lion, higher. System crack like brittle wall. Prophecy chant, Babylon fall. Babylon shall fall in the lion road. Babylon shall fall, can't stand no more. Fire in the east, fire in the west. Judgment pound in the oppressor chest. Babylon shall fall, shall fall. We go. We no fight with gun or sword. Me weapon is the living word. Scripture blaze in me bloodstream vein. Holy fire run through me brain. Storm cloud gather over the sea. Change dissolve in eternity. Oppressor tremble when truth reveal. Iron heart melt like heated steel. Fire not, fire upon wicked throne. No more tyrant rule alone. Lion roar from shore to shore. Babylon rise no more, no more. Babylon shall fall by drum, by word, by the most I crawl. When the record spin and the years disappear, remember the start was always here, waiting for the fall.
Hear me now, from the hills of Zion, from the ashes of Canfield fire. This one never dead, but the only way. Nightfall heavy on the sugar cane plain. Moonlight silver but the soil still stained. Chain mark memory in the island ground, but drum beat rise with a thunder sound. Me dread long like the river of time. Grey beard carry ancestral rhyme. Babylon tower build high in pride, but lightning right judgment on the sky. Babylon shall fall, hear the lion roar. Babylon shall fall, can't stand no more. Fire in the east, fire in the west. Judgment pound in the oppressor chest. Babylon shall fall, shall fall. Them build them kingdom from blood and gold. Sell false dream to the young and old. Paper crown and plastic throne, but righteousness cut down to the bone. Hear the Nyabinghi drum roll deep. Wake the ancestors from ancient sleep. Smoke rise slow from the chalice flame. Every spark whisper your name. Echo thunder fire. Lion line higher. System crack like brittle wall. Prophecy chant, Babylon fall. 947 when the chant first born. Hidden in shadow before the dawn. Pressed in wax but never played. Too much truth make the wicked afraid. Them stamp it unreleased in the corner small. But truth can lock behind a wall. Dust off the vinyl, drop the needle slow. Feel revolution start to blow. Babylon shall fall. Tremble and shake. Babylon shall fall. Foundation break. Lion of Judah strike through flame. Burn corruption, cleanse the shame. Babylon shall fall. Shall fall. Me no fight with gun nor sword. Me weapon is the living word. Scripture blazing me bloodstream vein. Holy fire run through me brain. Storm cloud gather over the sea. Chains dissolve in eternity. Oppressor tremble when truth reveal. Iron heart melt like heated steel. Final show. Fire upon with it throne. No more tyrant rule alone. Lion roar from shore to shore. Babylon rise no more. No more. Babylon shall fall. Fight the wrong. By the word. By the most high God. When the records